everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is my second video of mini sketchbook sessions. If you're following my channel for quite some time, then you might know that I made first video in this series a while back. And if you didn't, then you can see it in the I button or even in the description box below. And in the previous session, I used a different sketchbook which was handmade, and I even have a video on how to make one. So I was going to make an entire series of me filling up that book, but unfortunately I lost it, so I couldn't continue it anymore. But I'm back again and with a different sketchbook this time. So enough of the sketchbook for now, and let's talk about the painting. I am recreating a beautiful scenery picture of this forest which I found on Pinterest. I will leave the link in the description box below for that image if you want to check it out. I am using Camlin acrylic paint for this painting. I have already sketched very roughly just to get the basic shapes drawn. Primarily, I am blocking all the places with the respective shades of the color. The sketchbook which I am using is Brusto Artist's Drawing Sketchbook of size A6. It is 160 GSM and is working quite well with acrylic paints. You will find all the materials used in the description box below. Actually, I wanted to order a larger sketchbook, but I didn't see the size while ordering it and ended up with the very small size. But I'm glad that I got it. This size is perfect and I can carry it everywhere I want to. For the sky in the painting, I'm using grey mixed with a little cobalt blue to get that gloomy and humid shade. This isn't really a step-by-step instructions kind of video, but I try to explain all the things which I am doing while painting the scene. Because I do not follow any particular order for making the painting, I just go with the flow and try to achieve the perfect shades until I am satisfied with it. But if you want me to make any tutorial videos, then please let me know in the comment section below. For making the trees which are far back in the scene, I am using grey mixed with green. I am using a little lighter shade for the farthest trees and more darker shade for the trees which are a bit closer in the background. I am not really concerned with the specific shape of each and every tree or even the leaves though. On the road, there are some patches of water and I am trying to make them with black. I also added some white highlights which you will see later on. I am repainting the trees area because it was looking quite dull, so I added some more highlights to it. Now I am painting the tree which is on the right side of the scene. I wasn't able to make thin strokes because all of my brushes are quite damaged and I really need to get new ones. But all of the art stores and stationery shops were closed. Also, online orders were not being accepted here until the last week of May. I should have ordered my brushes along with the sketchbook. But anyways, I will buy them very soon. I even added a little more details here and there. If you made it till here, then thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, then please let me know in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to smash that like button and also the subscribe button if you aren't subscribed already, and I will see you in the next one.